guys, kita mau bikin lapek bugih. Nah, kalian bisa lihat di situ ada santan dan tepung. Ketan ya, kita aduk sedikit demi sedikit.
I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Paying so much attention,
Okay guys,
and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
Sometimes I wonder why you keep talking like you don't give a fuck about me. You've got a piece of me, and honestly my life wouldn't be the same without you. And they were not just friends, are we more than friends? We just have a hand on you. You think I'm stone cold, tripping, made a mistake of being teased. I just want to below, yeah. Don't lie to me, no, no, don't lie to me, don't lie to me, don't lie to me, no, no, don't lie to me, no, no, don't lie to me. She moves like a dancing queen, she's attending for wish, and all this under my eyes. Please, babe, don't make that move with your eyes. Shut the past is past, but my love still doesn't know way. Don't lie to me about your chance, about falling in love. What makes you happy, what makes you drown, about what you want and what makes you bad. And give me a chance to make things right, but just be honest for once in a while. It was a part of a silly joke, well it isn't fun, it comes down to more. Don't lie to me, don't lie to me about your chance, about falling in love. What makes you happy, what makes you drown, what you want, what makes you bad. And give me a chance to make things right, but just be honest for once in a while. It was a part of a silly joke.